Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to the Hot Stocks Outlook for March 30th, 2017. Getting to the end of the first quarter of 2017. It's been a really phenomenal year thus far for traders, and there's been really great opportunities through all the different sectors of the market. But let's go ahead and take a look at some of these stocks within the software, and I want to go ahead and take a little bit of a closer look at some of these tools and how traders can use these tools day in and day out for their particular trading style, how they like to interact with the market here. So here in Spartan Motors, you see we've gotten a crossover here on about March 13th. And we also have our neural index, so our predicted moving average, saying this market's in an uptrend. Look to start taking long positions. So if you're a day trader, swing trader, if you trade options, however you want to approach that. And you also see that your 48-hour indicator here in the neural index is also very bullish coming into this trend reversal, saying, look, go ahead and look to buy the market. But obviously, you could buy at the open, but VantagePoint gives you the tools to really understand, okay, well, where should I look to get the best possible price? Where can I go ahead and have orders waiting and resting, ready to go ahead and take my positions in the market? Well, we can use this predicted high and low level. So I've gone ahead and switched my screen. We've got our moving average here, but you see these predicted high and low levels. We can see how accurate these levels are moving forward in the software. So you see, the day after that crossover came through, it's telling you, look to buy on this dip down here at about 695. So, as a day trader, just trading from predicted low to predicted high, it's about a 4% move, over a little bit over 4% in just the trading day. But we see that this market so far up almost 10% over that time period. But what I want you to do here is really look more closely here, because this is a cheap stock trading around $7 a share, now pushing up around $7.70, up about 10%. But look how many times you could have come into this market and look to be a buyer. You see down at this predicted low again, saying, okay, well, if you took some profit here, look for a pullback down to about 710, look to buy again, and a huge explosion in the market price. Again, buying down here, the market opens a little bit lower than this level. So if you have your order waiting, you actually get filled right there at 725, and the market starts moving dramatically higher, moving up to 760 that day. Again, this day, you see a little bit of pullback. And now the neural index is telling you, look, expect this weakness over the next couple of days, but the market is still in an uptrend, which is essentially telling you, look to be essentially a buyer over this time period. When you get these dips in the market, use those predicted lows to go ahead and keep buying the market. And I'll bring these back up and you just see, look, buying here, getting filled there. Really great opportunities to trade a cheap stock and make really a lot of money as this market moves up over 10%, making money really 9 out of 10 of these days essentially, if you're a day trader or a shorter term trader here. Let's go ahead and move forward to another great stock that we've covered since all the way back in February. We brought this up, but Himax Technologies, another really cheap stock, great opportunity. And this has been a real screamer here. I mean, this market is up now, let's see, about 73% in just about a month and a half of time here. And we can really see again how accurate these forecasts are. If I go ahead and bring up our predicted high and low levels, if you want to come in and be a buyer here, you see great level here, great level here, great level here. I mean, so many opportunities to go ahead and buy this market and make a lot of money, because these stocks, if you're buying a stock at $9 and it's shooting up to $9.60 in just a day or two, there's considerable amount of profit to be made there. And obviously this trend still moving higher. So you can take that, 70% or so that you've made on this upside and use those profits to keep buying the market and really making the most of this opportunity. So $4 per share on what was a $6 stock, now up near about $9.60, pushing up to 10. So huge opportunity to make a lot of money here. I mean, even just 1,000 shares, you're looking at $4,000 to the upside in just the last month and a half here in a single stock. So really nice opportunity there. Predicted highs and lows working extremely well to help you manage those positions as these trends really start moving higher and lower, and whichever way they decide to go here. Spectrum Pharmaceutical here. So again, this is something that we covered, I believe, really right around this time period here. But you see that the trend is still up, and you see this market has been grinding higher, another 7% higher. But again, we can bring up those predicted high and low levels and really understand that, look, if you want to, start buying this market on the uptrend, a really great entry right there in the market. Another great entry here, great entry here. Really nice opportunities to go ahead and buy into the market. You see the neural index getting very bearish here, signaling that there may be some, excessive weakness over the next couple of days, but the trend is still up. That blue line never crosses below the black line. That predicted moving average still saying this market is expected to go higher. So that can really guide your trading decisions. So again, help you make those better trades day in and day out. We see Spectrum here over this entire trend reversal that we've seen. Market's up 39%. So if you've gone in and bought at 480, you're up around 680 now. So again, 1,000 shares, 2,000 shares, a few $1,000s. Really, by taking that position, you can lock your stops at break even on a move like this and really just ride this trend as long as that predicted moving average, that blue line, stays above the black line, signaling that trend is still underway. Last opportunity here, not all stocks move up. And this is really the thing is, regardless of what the market's doing, if it's trending up, trending lower, if you want to, take long positions, then hedge some of those positions with shorts in the market, you got to know, hey, where's the market in a downtrend? Where should I expect that excessive weakness in the market? And just like these other opportunities, just really reversed, you get this crossover on Delta Airlines here, saying the market's going to start trending lower. And look at all this weakness in the neural index saying, okay, well, look to start shorting this market on March 3rd. And again, we'll bring up those predicted high and low levels. So you can see that, okay, well, if you're going to come in and short this market, well, where do you want to do it? You come up that next day, tap that predicted high. And I mean, really just a next day trading, you're already down about 3 or 4% in a single trading day there. So really nice opportunity thus far. We see Delta Airlines down about 8%. So, if it's a bigger price stock for you, you want to trade the options. Really great opportunity to go in and buy some of those puts and make some money on this downside here, which we see this market still in a bit of a downtrend here, about an 8% move thus far. So, as always, guys, it's really about having the right tools that really match your approach. So however you like to trade the markets, you've really got a very accurate forecasting tool here as far as the, what is the trend direction? What's the predicted strength or weakness over the next couple days that we see here with the neural index? And then, what intraday levels should you expect when you actually get in there and want to put in the orders and start trading that day with these predicted high and lows? So really a complete tool to really help you understand the markets and trade much more effectively, really get those odds on your side. So as always, thank you all for watching. Once again, this has been the Hot Stocks Outlook for March 30th, 2017. Best of luck to you out there in the markets. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.